we're live.
Hey guys, it's Keely live from Still with a Kiss on a Tuesday, as usual. Okay, it's been crazy around here. We had our second Victorian walk. We got those in the rear view. I told Jeannie next year we're going to do live windows, except we're going to put beds in the window and we're going to sleep. People can watch us sleep. The only problem is I don't know how we'd have the store open. That A, people would wake us up, and B, we have to, we work very hard. So, oh well, I guess we can dream. That's what we really needed to do was sleep. Oh, yeah. It's been crazy, yes. But the fun is not over just because the territorial stuff's in the rear view. Now it's time for us to get busy. We have our HapHapHappiest Christmas Party this Friday night. If you haven't signed up, go do that now. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's kind of our Christmas vacation themed. I hear Margot's coming this year. And I've got my Clark Griswold jersey. We got our lights strung. We are ready to have a good time. And of course, the 24 Days of SWAK continues. We've got, a little over a week left of that. If you have not been paying attention, you need to be. We've been giving away some really cool stuff. And it's not just about the prizes. There's a lot of cool information on there. You're going to learn stuff, right? Stick with me. You're going to learn so much stuff you didn't know. I've got even more in the pike coming up. You're going to enjoy. Jeannie's been super busy. She finally got this fit. Finally, yeah. Jeannie's been crocheting her little fingers off. This is the crochet along for the season from Sirdar. This is the Santa's Workshop. Isn't that what it's called? I think so. And we think it turned out cuter than it did in the picture.
Yeah, it's really cute.
It turned out super cute. Yeah, and when you get, it has the loops and there's little berries. Yep. Yeah, lots of little detail. So we still have kits left. Now, can you get it done before Christmas? Maybe, if you crochet a whole lot. Otherwise, there's always next year. Yeah, get started now. You don't need to be a pro to make this. They have great video support. Kind of starts out basic, and you will learn a lot doing that. And you'll have a cool throw for next year. So, like I said, we still have kits. We got more earth in. Got to restock on the 16. If you haven't used this shard, you really should. It's a 16 micron. It feels like cashmere, except it's a superwash hand paint merino. Really nice and worsted and fingering. We have 65 colors. This is just some that we were low or out of. Had to restock on that. What else going on, Jeannie?
I don't know.
We don't know. We just show up. Oh, my son comes home from college today. Yeah, so I'm sleep deprived because I stayed up too late shopping for Christmas presents and then I couldn't sleep. And then there's more stuff. I keep getting woke up by a loud alarm that's not mine and my cat. And so I'm driven by espresso right now. But I've got to stay up till midnight to go pick him up. Yeah. I may be a zombie. I may need a nap. Maybe I'm not nap in the window. I'll go nap in my office. Keely may be napping today, so I can pick up my kid from the airport. Really excited about that, to have him back home for a while, although I told Jeannie, I'm so excited. He'll come home, he'll sleep, he'll leave, go see friends, and it'll be just another day, but I'll get to see him in passing. He's Mr. Social. Okay, I guess that's all. Back next week. Bye, y'all.